डिअर स्टुडंट, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स हे 9th क्लासचा चॅप्टर चालू केलेला आहे आणि हा त्यामधला एक शेवटचा व्हिडिओ लेक्चर आहे. हियर वी कंप्लीट दिस टॉपिक इन दिस व्हिडिओ लेक्चर. टुडे वी स्टार्ट वन टॉपिक हियर, that is a division angiosperm. Division angiosperm. You know that is phanerogam are the flowering plants there, and phanerogam should be classified into two types, that is gymnosperm and angiosperm, and depend upon that seeds are enclosed in fruit or seeds are open or outside the fruit. Here in just last video lecture, earlier video lecture, I am completing that is a gymnosperm there. Today we start on one topic of angiosperm, division angiosperm. Dear student, angiosperm is a well-developed division of the plant on the surface of earth. Well-developed plant there, and they bears the flower. They are flowering plant. But important characteristics of that plant are just seeds are enclosed into fruit. Hence they are called angiosperm. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हा एक सर्वात मोठा प्लांटचा डिव्हिजन आहे ज्यामध्ये सीड्स ह्या फ्रूटच्या आतमध्ये असतात, म्हणूनच त्यांना आपण अँजिओस्पर्म म्हणतो. मीन्स लुक हियर, डिव्हिजन अँजिओस्पर्म, दॅट इज these are flowering plants. These are flowering plants. A big group of plants, big group of plants in nature, म्हणजे निसर्गामधला सर्वात मोठा तो ग्रुप आहे. बिग ग्रुप ऑफ प्लांट्स इन नेचर. मीन्स इन दिस वे, why they are called angiosperm? Because that flower is a reproductive part of this plant, and flower gets after sexual reproduction, flower or ovary gets converted into fruit, and that ovule should be converted into seeds there. Means seeds are enclosed into the fruit. Seeds हे फ्रूटच्या आतमध्ये असतात. Hence these plants are called angiosperm. Means look here, that is flower is a reproductive part. Flower is a reproductive part of plant. Flower is reproductive part of plant. Flower जे आहे ते प्लांटचा reproductive part आहे, and seeds of the plants are enclosed into the fruit. Hence they are called angiosperm. Seeds of plant are enclosed in fruit, hence called angiosperm. Seeds of the plant are enclosed into fruit, hence they are called angiosperm. त्यांना आपण angiosperm म्हणतो. That is the definition of angiosperm. And here, that is depend upon the number of cotyledons. Cotyledon म्हणजे सीडचे भाग. Depend upon the number of cotyledons. If the single cotyledon, for example, wheat, ज्वार, बाजरा, rice, गहू, ज्वारी, बाजरी, तांदूळ, just they have a single cotyledon, single whole seed is there. But groundnut, shengdana, two seeds are there, or two parts of the seed. All the pulses, tuar, moong, urad, tur, moong, urad, इतर pulses there, that is have the two cotyledons. त्याचे दोन भाग होतात. Means depend upon the number of cotyledons, that plants or angiosperm can be classified into two types, that is monocot and dicot there. Depends upon number of cotyledons of seed. Angiosperm classified into two types. Angiosperm classified into two types. Which are these two types? One, monocot. Monocot means a single cotyledon is there, and second, dicot means that is a two cotyledon, monocotyledon and dicotyledon, or monocot and dicot plant. Monocot means a seed having the single cotyledon just like jowar, bajra, rice, and dicot means that is seed having the two cotyledon. And dear students, these are the characteristics of that division angiosperm. Here now we study the difference between monocot and dicot there. What is the difference between monocot and dicot? Because there is a very important question. Write difference between a monocotyledon and dicotyledon. And here there is a difference between monocot and dicot plant. Difference between monocot and dicot plant, and that is related to different parts of the plant. Means here parts of plant, we make a chart. Parts of plant, then monocot, and next that is a dicot. Parts of plant, firstly number of cotyledons. Number of cotyledons in monocot, that is single cotyledon, and in dicot that is two cotyledons. Here in monocot that is single cotyledon, in dicot that is two cotyledons. That is difference between monocot and dicot related to a number of cotyledons. म्हणजे सीडचे दोन भाग होतात की सिंगल सीड आहे याच्यावरनं दॅट इज डिफरन्स. मोनोकॉट मध्ये सिंगल होल सीड आहे, बट डायकॉट मध्ये इट शुड बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट that is a root of the plant. Here root, in monocot plant, that is the fibrous root is there. Fibrous root system is there. A weak root system is there. Just it is on the upper surface of the earth, not goes deep inside the soil. That is the fibrous root system. But here in dicot plant, there is a tap root system. Tap root system means it should be goes deep inside the soil and absorb the water from the soil. Dicot plant are the very big plant, just like a mango. Mango is a dicot plant. Here all the big plants are the dicot plant and their roots gets deep inside the soil. That is related to root of the plant. Root of plant, here monocot having the fibrous root system and dicot having the tap root system. Then next here related to here leaves or leaf venation. Leaf venation means what is the type of venation in leaf? There is in monocot, there is parallel venation. Parallel venation means just like there is a leaf of the grass, leaf of the jowar, leaf of the wheat, means just parallel venation. Long venation is there, means in this way such type of veins are there. Such type of veins are there. That is for a parallel venation. All the lines are parallel. But in dicot plant, there is a reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means that net of the, in this way, here net system is there. Plant or leaf having the net system, net like structure is there. Means that is called a reticulate venation. In monocot plant, that is leaf venation, parallel venation, but in dicot, that is the reticulated venation is there. Then you know here, there is a stem. Here a stem of plant. Here a weak stem, and in dicot plant a strong stem. Strong stem is there, very strong stem, big stem is there. Here in weak stem there, and you know that is in dicot is a very strong stem, a big stem is there. Means in this way that is the main difference between monocotyledon and dicotyledon. And you know example there, example of monocot, that is wheat, jawar. Here dicot, that is groundnut. Then you know here mango, big tree. Means in this way, there is mango, then banyan and other big tree, also groundnut, all the pulses. You know that is all pulses. They are the just you know that is example of that dicot plant. Means dear student, in this way we can complete this topic, that is division angiosperm, in this video lecture, and during such video lecture we can complete this chapter, that is classification of plant, a topic of science 2 of biology in class 9. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, माझ्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ लेक्चर मध्ये आपण चॅप्टर नंबर 4 चालू करणार आहोत. 9th क्लासचा चॅप्टर नंबर 4 एक अतिशय महत्त्वाचा चॅप्टर आहे, इम्पॉर्टंट टॉपिक आहे, दॅट इज and you know we can start this chapter number 4 in tomorrow video lecture. Please watch my all the videos. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, माझं चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा. मी तुम्हाला संपूर्ण सिलेबस हा व्हिडिओ लेक्चरच्या माध्यमातून देण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to watch all my videos. Please write the notes in your notebook, and thanks for watching my video.